Alright, y'all. I'm out here on the creek, and I've been catching a lot of bass, seeing a lot of snakehead. They just won't eat. But I've been seeing a lot of bass, and I figured why not turn the camera on and see if I can get anything to eat with the camera on. With this tide rushing out through here, they've been just sitting right in the middle and tearing the bait up. There's little bait balls all over the place, man. So far, I got, I think it's 8 bass and 1 white perch. So, not bad. I'm using a Mepps minnow spinner. So, yeah. Been seeing a lot of snakehead. They will not eat. I mean, I've dragged my bait in front of a couple and they won't eat it. I don't know what's going on. I might have caught all the bass, honestly. It was like cast after cast after cast for a little while there. I don't know if y'all can see this bait ball right in front of me, but they are getting, oh, I see the fish under. I mean, it is wild. Woo. I don't know if y'all can see that all the way down there, but something just jumped clean up. There we go. Little itty, they've all been so small. Little bitty creek bass, but hey, better than nothing. And nothing's what I was feeling like for a little while there. I wasn't catching any. Looks like snakehead over there. Oh, I just had some that started walking and I lost them. Sorry. I'm on a kayak and I would be recording on the kayak, but it's a little hard because I'm not on my big one. But you know, it is what it is. I figured there's this little mud flat sandbar. Damn, one of my hooks are bitten off. Little mud flat sandbar and I can stand on it. That's number 10. I really want to get a snakehead for a catch cook, because that would be pretty nice. But I mean, beggars can't be choosers. I've been catching a lot of little fish, so I mean, oh, on again. These little creek bass fight so hard, it's crazy. God, these things fight. For their size, I mean, it is really crazy how much they fight. That's number 11 right there. I know, it really makes me wonder how many fish are right here, because I'm just catching them. Like I said though, I really want to get a snake. I really want to get a snake here. Alright, I'm gonna move around this sandbar, see if I can't. Got another one, guys. Switched onto the other side. And feels like there's another like school of bass over here, so. Man, my hooks are breaking. Rust. There's another one right there, little guy. I'll try and move around and see if I can't spot a snakehead. Dude, I keep getting bit. I wish I had like a little treble hook so I could replace the back ones. The back ones are breaking off. And I'm really nervous that if I get a snakehead, don't think my treble hooks are gonna stay on there. Dude, these fish are just battering this minnow. I can't seem to catch them. There we go. A nice bass again. These creek bass fight. I mean, I got my drag set pretty tight. This is the biggest one today. Ow, man, my finger. This is number 12, if I'm wrong. It's got like a weird lump on its back right there. If y'all can see that, it's weird looking. I think that's number 12. I think. But I'll go back and look and see if I'm wrong. I keep getting hit, man. It's like every cast I get hit, but they commit every so often. Come back to these bass later and try and get you some snakehead. I have a feeling the bite's slowing down. This tide's starting to slack up a little bit. So, hopefully try and pull a couple more fish out while this tide's moving. Honestly, it's really not moving at all. There's still something now. Y'all couldn't hear that one probably. I can see it. There we go. Well, like the second I cast it over there, you smacked it. Dude, these bass are so fun to catch. These little ones, man. Look, call me a dink slayer all you want. But I'm gonna be a dink slayer till the day I die. Because this is just, especially with these creek fish. Tell you what though, the reason I think I'm doing so good now is because I switched to this minnow spinner, and the amount of bait balls of minnows through here right now is ridiculous. So I think I'm matching the hatch and they're loving it. Everyone but the snakehead are loving it, so I don't really know how to improve my game right now, because I mean I'm catching all the other fish, just not the ones I'm intending to catch. So I don't know, because I really don't want to eat any of these bass. I was walking backwards. I didn't even mean to catch this fish. Like, I didn't mean to catch him at all. I was literally just walking backwards, about to come grab the camera, move somewhere else. And he bit. He bit alright. He bit in the wrong spot. Ow, he's got some sharp teeth. Is he bleeding? Yeah. Man. Oh, got him out. Well, he swam off. Was bleeding a little bit though, so we'll see. Hopefully he makes it. There we go. He gave up. Oh, that's a nice one too. They're starting to get a little bigger. Well, quick release. It's gonna make it, but there is a lot of ospreys through here. They'll eat them. Sucks though. Oh, I got another one. It's crazy, guys. There's so many fish. I lost count, if I'm being completely honest. Yeah. Guys, there's a snakehead right to my left. Try not to freak out. Oh. I don't think y'all could have just seen what happened. Like, dude. I think you can see that mud over there. It just blew up like crazy. Oh, I see another. Dude, it blew up like crazy after my lure, but he missed it. I see one now. There we go. I'm on. I got a snakehead. Snakehead. I got one. Woo. Guys. This thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. I gotta let him run. He is just peeling me. I gotta let him run. I don't have that much trust in my hooks. Guys, he's pretty big. Dude, he is just taking off. Trying to tire him out, man. God, he's off again. Wow. He's on land. Woo. That is what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. I got him on land over here. Look at that thing. Let me get my pliers. He didn't even start fighting till he got like right right in front of me. Whew. Look at that dragon, guys. That is a nice snakehead. I'm not too sure how big, because I did not bring a ruler or scale. But he's a pretty nice fish. Now I gotta think if I want to release him or not, or eat him. I mean, this is a giant. This is a pretty nice snakehead. I've caught bigger, but I mean, look at that guy. I mean, these things are just prehistoric though, guys. Look at that thing. He's all clean now. Look at that teeth. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna keep this one. Not gonna lie. I haven't eaten a snakehead anytime in a while. I've been releasing a lot. So I'm gonna go take care of this guy. YouTube probably wouldn't like it if I showed it, but I'm gonna take care of him, and we're gonna get back to fishing. Guys, I'm like walking across this like desert of mud. Find some fish. Feet caked in mud. But that's what you gotta do to find these snakehead, man. They like that shallow water. The real shallow stuff. Oh. I get to wash my feet out. Alright, go find a spot to fish at. Well, guys, I think that's all she wrote. I'm gonna go home and cook this snakehead up. See y'all then. Alright, guys, I don't have the GoPro this time, but it is now 9:12, so we're gonna cook up these fish. It's not gonna be as detailed. It's gonna be more cuts than anything, because like I said, I don't have the GoPro, but as you can see, I'm using the Louisiana New Orleans style fish fry. That's the snakehead. It's all cut up into nuggets. And for the side, we're gonna have some rosemary fries. So I'll get back to y'all when everything's all breaded up. All right, guys, everything's breaded up. And then I'm gonna pour some oil and get back to y'all when everything's ready. All right, guys, first ones are going in. I hope I can fit all of them. Yeah, we're close. I don't know if we're gonna be able to fit them all though. Damn, that sucks. Well, guys, another phenomenal Catch Clean Cook. Stay tuned for more videos.